Wanji, thanks for the time. I'd like to find out more information. How do you find SolidWorks usage right now?
Since 2010, we have been using SolidWorks. We have been increasing our department headcount since then, so we also increased our SolidWorks licenses. Our headquarters in PFSC also uses SolidWorks. We use SolidWorks in our design, conceptualization, and also simulation. After this, we use our 3D data for our vendors for parts fabrication.
Glad to hear that. What is your bigger engineering challenges?
We Panasonic and Tuas build machine. A normal machine maker, we go through the process of conceptualization, design, fabrication, testing, and of course mass production for our customer. Initially, when we use the 2D tools, we faces a lot of issues for our engineers to visualize the parts and the drawings, and of course the assemblies. So during the testing period, we have a lot of design delays and we have a lot of testing issues. Worst case, our customer expectation is unable to meet. After the implementation of the 3D SolidWorks, our design time actually improved by 50%. Our design change after implementation also improved by 75%. Indirectly, we are able to reduce our development time, and we have able to increase the productivity of all our engineers. As a company, we are able to reduce our development costs, and this improves our company profitability. We have been ATE for 4 years now. We have say the journey with them has been pleasant. Whenever we face issue, they are there to solve it, and their action is quick. We have say we do not describe ATE as a vendor, but we have say we are a partner for both mutual business prosperity.
Wanji, it is a pleasure for us to hear from you and continue our support with you guys.
Sure, great.
Thank you. Hi, hello Shers.
Hi.
Would you like to share with our SolidWorks Pro customer or user of your using SolidWorks experience? At the same time, can you describe your company background and what does your company do?
Sure. I'm from Korean Industry, and Korean Industry specializes in precision manufacturing with a standard ISO 13485. So we deal with various metal materials and also engineering plastics. We focus on optics and biomedical products, mechanical components.
What were your engineering challenges before you used SolidWorks?
So previously, our engineering team had a lack of capacity to create and perform engineering documentations, such as process drawings. We were not quick enough to follow up with our high-mix, low-volume operations. Also, previously, without centralized database, for our engineering documentations, it was very tedious to keep our documents up to date.
How do you find SolidWorks implementation good?
SolidWorks program is a user-friendly and functionally efficient application for our works of our engineers. The implementation of SolidWorks application was smooth and also a fast one. It was easy for our engineers to pick up with the training support by ATE. Further on, we adopted the use of EPDM, which the company benefited much more in the effectiveness of documentation and our efficiency in doing so.
How is SolidWorks to help improve your company?
So after the implementation of SolidWorks application in Korean Industry, the lead time for our engineer works have reduced significantly. Also, on the operation side, our production floor can now obtain more accurate and consistent information on the work itself. Our process engineering information can now be obtained and reviewed more easily, and so we have faster reaction time to our customers. And also we can do more improvements easily to our process design and cycle time.
Oh, that's good. I'll appreciate your sharing section of the using SolidWorks experience.
At Wong Fung Engineering, our experience and capability span over a wide range of industries, which include waste handling, construction, transportation, and defense projects. From a humble beginning in the 1960s, the small workshop has evolved into a leading engineering solution provider, which has offices in Singapore, China, and Malaysia. With our 50 years of engineering expertise, we have established ourselves as the preferred engineering partner for our valued customers. SolidWorks has proven to be a valuable tool for us to actually shorten our design cycle time. With advanced 3D modeling, we are able to do space study without having to fabricate the actual part. ATE has proven to be a valuable partner in providing SolidWorks solutions, helping Wongfeng Engineering to be continuously successful.
Hi, Ziwen. Thank you for your time. I would like you to share with our client how successful you are using SolidWorks. And in the same time, would you mind to describe your company background and what do your company do?
Of course, Univac is a precision engineering company providing one-stop solutions to our customers in the consumables and lifestyle industries.
What were your engineering challenges before you use SolidWorks?
The software is used by the R&D department, and we select the software based on 3 features. One is its ease of use, second is affordability, and third is support by standards.
How do you find SolidWorks implementation go?
As I was involved in various implementation in the company, I can safely say the SolidWorks implementation is the fastest today, and my users were able to use the software faster thanks to the experienced trainers by ATE.
How did SolidWorks help your company?
The software will be easy to use, allowing my designers to finish the product on time, faster, and allow the customers to release the product to market faster. And there's also various products in the SolidWorks family in the simulation and EPDM, which we were able to seamlessly incorporate into our processes quickly.
Thank you for your sharing sections. Looking forward for more cooperations to improve your company process.
Azimuth Technology established in 2006. We are material handler and testing equipment for heavy industry, especially for oil and gas and shipyard.
What were your engineering challenges before you used SolidWorks?
Before we use a SolidWorks, actually we use a 2D software. During a 2D software, we are not able to do a material selection, material calculation. After the SolidWorks implementation, together the simulation, we are able to do a design, visualize, design, material selection and calculation.
Ever since in year 2014, your design team has already started using SolidWorks. How long is the implementation?
From 2D software migrate to 3D modeling, we took about 2 weeks time. For simulation, we took about 3 weeks time.
SolidWorks is able to work hand in hand with my design and simulation. It makes my calculation easier, it helps me to make my material selection, and it drastically reduces my design cycle time.
Specialty Vehicle Center design and integrate vehicle system from ground. We need modeling and simulation software to help us with engineering design. As a chassis designer, I will need to work with other system engineers. SolidWorks combines solutions to help us managing the project. For example, I will need to know the work status of other system engineer. So immediately we can see any design conflict even during the modeling phase. This is very crucial for especially these large scale projects. This helps us to save time during the prototyping stage. As part of the training experience, ATE actually provides really comprehensive training. And whenever we need technical support, ATE actually give us really fast and accurate answers. Yeah, thank you ATE for the great support.
Thank you for the time.
Thank you.